Hello, welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to talk about order history. So let's say you have accumulated a lot of online orders over the years or months, and you want to kind of go back to a specific online order just because a customer may have called you about it, or you're curious to know how that order occurred. You can always go back to it from your Clover device or from your Clover backend, the Clover dashboard. You can also perhaps go to it from your Smart Online Order app itself. But keep in mind that the intended use of Smart Online Order is to get online orders in real time. And then when it comes to reporting and looking at your previous orders, we recommend that you use the reporting app by Clover or the orders app by Clover, because this one can always be cleared out. So there's a button here where you can clear the orders so it doesn't clutter your screen. So if you are looking for an old order, let's say a customer ordered like this here, I just place an online order through the branded app, and it's going to print out in a few seconds here. Once it prints out, it turns the screen red, letting you know that an incoming online order was just made. It'll print out on the Clover device here. It gives you a pop-up sound as well. And let's say this order that did come through by the customer, and let's say 6 weeks passes by and the customer calls you and says, oh, I ordered something 6 weeks ago, it was so delicious, can you remind me what I ordered? You can go back there and look it up, right? All you do is you ask for their name, and then you can go in the orders app, customers app actually more specific, and find out, and let's say her name is Sarah, and Sarah says, I came in 6 weeks ago, here's my name, I ordered something from there and it was so delicious, I want to order it again, but I forgot what it was called, can you let me know please? So you can go in there and look it up and tell her what she ordered, and let her know what it's called, and she can order it again. And they may also call for other reasons. They may say, do you still have that one item that I bought 5 months ago for $14.99? It was called this. You can find out which price she's referring to and look up her order history and let her know what the new price is, if it's on sale, if it's discounted, if the menu's changed, if it comes with some different toppings, you can let them know about that. So again, it's a great way for you to kind of look at old orders. The Smart Online Order app itself, as you can see here, I have it opened. I can go back, pretty far back, by the way. So it is very convenient to do that. But again, it's not intended to be a way for you to look up orders from a year ago or 9 months ago, because the Clover does that for you. The reason being is because we integrate with the Clover itself. We send the order history, the order data, the order information to the orders app and to the reporting app and to the customers app. This way, you can always look it up yourself by clicking on one of these buttons, but it's more convenient by doing it from the Clover dashboard, where you have a lot of different features and tools and much easier to navigate than doing it from the Clover device. So whenever you do get a chance, and if you want to find out what an old online order looks like, you can always go on there, search for it by date. Clover will create a report for you, and you can look up all the old orders and kind of compare, contrast to see how you're doing then or now. Or again, like I mentioned earlier, look up a customer's previous order in case they have questions on that. That's it for this video. If you have questions, let us know, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you.